Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's your girl, Melanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Just click the red button below and ring the bell for notification. This video is going to be a full glam makeup tutorial that I will walk you through the process on how I did this face. I did this makeup, and the products that I use, and all of the products are from drugstore. So yeah, if you are planning on going on a date this Valentine's, make sure to stay there, and let's get started. So make sure you have a clean face. I already did it. I cleaned my face. I am ready to start my makeup tutorial. So these are the products that I'm gonna use from the drugstore except the eyeshadow. First, I will put the ice pack. I will apply the ice pack all over my face. Make sure to close that pores, and then after I put that ice pack, actually you can apply the ice pack too on your lips to emphasize your lips, to make it look bigger and look fresh. And then I will apply my skincare. If you want to know about my skincare routine, I will link the video here and in the description. Let's start off with this flawless poreless primer that is recommended by the lady in the drugstore. And you know what, I am so surprised with the effect in my face when I am doing it. It's really good. It feels so much better than not having a primer that it's creamer like this. And second off is my favorite foundation. So I got a new one, but I'm trying to finish this bottle. So this foundation is really amazing. I love it so much, and it's highly recommended for all of you guys. Yeah, try it out. It's really nice. As you can see, it's blending properly. It's very creamy, and it's blending in all over my face. I love this foundation. You must try it out if you're looking to find a new one. Next off, the eyeshadow. So I'm using this Q eyeshadow, if that's how you say it. And yeah, just make sure if you put some eyebrows, make sure you remember the saying that they're not sisters, they are twins. So I'm still learning that until now, that my eyebrows, sometimes they're not twins, they are sisters. So make sure you do the twin one. Okay, next one would be the eyeshadow. Just use the lighter one to do the base. Next, your second one, I put it at the same spot where I put the first color of palette eyeshadow. And yeah, I'm just blending it in together. So make sure if you do your eyeshadow, blend them in. And these eyeshadows that I am doing, I have a few tricks that I will show you to make your eyeshadow better. So make sure to stay there, and I will show you a few tricks, and you're gonna love it. Did you guys like those tricks? Try them out. They're really good. Next one is this eyeliner. I am making it thicker because I'm making it fuller glam, and it is inspired by Valentine's Day. Next one would be this eyebrow lightener. So I really love doing my eyebrows, making them look thicker and bushy. If you like to, if you want me to make video of my eyebrows, how I make them thicker, just comment down below and let me know what else do you want me to film in this channel. This is another trick that I do. After curling my lashes, I put mascara again so that it will look more thicker. If you're trying to make them thicker, do that trick. I'm putting another eyeliner at the bottom of my eye because I'm trying to achieve a smoky looking eyes, and that way it will look more fuller and glamorous. This is another favorite product that I bought in the drugstore. This is the Stila blush on and lipstick. I love this product so much. It's creamier. At the same time, when you put it on your cheek, it's sticking properly and it's really blending in my foundation. I love it so much. Of course, don't forget to put your highlighter. Highlighter is the bomb in here in your full makeup glam because it will emphasize your cheeks, your eyebrows, and your nose. So don't forget to put on that highlighter. After the highlighter, of course, bronzer. This is a product from the drugstore too. So just slide a little bit on your cheekbone, a little bit only, just to emphasize your cheekbone area. Just blend it properly. What do you think, guys? I am really impressed with drugstore products. I love it already. And before you put lipstick on your lips, make sure you put nourishment like a lip balm or a petroleum jelly, just to make sure it's not gonna look dry when you put on your lipstick. By the way, this lipstick is really nice, and I thank my daughter for buying this as a birthday gift from me. Final touch and a new additional product that I got from Pixie, and it's highly recommended too. So I tried it, and oh my god, my blush on doesn't go on my when I touch my face, it doesn't stay on my hands anymore. So it's really nice. This is the final look. I love it so much. It turned out really good. And make sure to put some highlighter on your cheek bone and collarbone so that it will emphasize your collarbone. If you want to see more of my makeup tutorial, just click these two videos, and thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!